Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're just new on my channel, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get updated whenever I upload new videos. Oneplus Z, aka the Oneplus Nord, expected specification and process. Oneplus Z will officially be called a Oneplus Nord, is rumored to price of $499 to $649 US. It will feature a triple camera setup. Yes guys, you heard it right, a triple camera setup. Big thanks to Oneplus company for providing another triple setup camera on their upcoming device. It includes a 64 megapixel primary sensor with a 16 megapixel 2 megapixel sensor. The Oneplus Nord could feature a 6.5 Full HD Plus display and AMOLED panel. They also added support for the 90Hz refresh rate with an in-screen fingerprint scanner. Oneplus Nord is set to launch with a 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gig internal storage. It will also be available with separate 12 gigs of RAM variant for those heavy users and who loves to play heavy games that requires high RAM. The Oneplus company's upcoming Z line will come with a support of 5G connectivity. Oh, finally another 5G device launched by Oneplus company. The Oneplus Nord is expected to feature a triple rear camera setup, but there could be a punch hole camera design on the front. So sorry for those users who hate punch hole camera, especially me. And what about the battery life and its capacity? Well, the rumor says that it has a 4,300 mAh battery and could come with Android 10 with oxygen on top. So sadly, it is not a Android 11 out of the box. So that's it for today's video. What do you think about the new Z line app of Oneplus? Don't forget to comment down below.